Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a project that's sure to make your workday smoother and more efficient, reorganizing a work van. Whether you're a contractor, plumber, electrician, or any professional using a van for work, having an organized space can save you time and reduce stress. Let's dive in. Here's the current state of our van. As you can see, it's a bit chaotic. Tools are scattered everywhere, materials are mixed together, and finding anything quickly is a challenge. But don't worry, we're going to transform this mess into an organized, functional space. Step 1, plan your layout. Before you start moving things around, take a few minutes to think about how you use your tools and materials. Make a list of the items you use most frequently, and consider where they should be placed for easy access. Step 2, clear everything out. It's important to start with a blank canvas so you can see the space you're working with. As you remove items, group them into categories like tools, materials, safety gear, and miscellaneous. Step 3, choose your storage solutions. Invest in some sturdy storage bins, shelves, and hooks. Labeling your bins is key to maintaining your new organization system. Let's start with installing some shelving. We've installed these heavy-duty shelves which are perfect for holding bins of smaller items. On the opposite wall, we've added hooks for larger tools and equipment. It's so much easier when everything has a designated spot. Step 4, load in your tools and materials. Place the items you use most often in the most accessible locations. For example, hand tools should go on these hooks, and smaller parts can go in the labeled bins on the shelves. Don't forget to keep similar items together. All electrical components in one bin, plumbing supplies in another, etc., etc. This makes it easy to grab what you need without having to dig through a pile of stuff. Step 5, maintain your new system. Organization isn't a one-time task. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to put everything back in its place and clean up. This will save you time in the long run and keep your van looking clean and tidy. Check out the difference! Our van went from a cluttered mess to a well-organized, efficient workspace. This setup involving shelving and racking will make your workday more productive and less stressful. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. And if you have any tips of your own for organizing a work van, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. Until next time, stay organized and stay productive.